There, it's recording.
Can you see him alright?
Yeah. I'm in this light.
I'll turn the light on.
What? Hurry up.
Oh. Don't, Brandon. Just leave him be.
Leave him alone.
Bring him back over here.
See Dad.
Wendell.
Topples over.
I can't see him. You gotta bring him back over here.
Come on, Wendell. Over here. Come on. Come on. Waddle over here. Get it off over there. Wait.
Tripod.
Stop. Move that.
Ow.
See, now he's just gonna play. Is he? Oh, leave him be now, Brent. Leave him be.
He's almost under it.
Don't touch him, Brent.
Is this from your CD?
Yeah.
Who was in it? Pass it to me, I'll do it, Mom.
Oh, Wendell. Oh,
Oh, rolling over.
That's how he's getting it off. Go back into the light. Jesus. I can't just roll him back over. I can't keep doing.
Oh.
Yay, Wendell! You made it! Hello.